Hey guys, it's Vika, and you're with the Modern Creatures. Today we're taking a look at another realme product, but no, it's not a phone or anything like that. It's something relatively new to the brand. Today we're taking a look at the new and affordable realme Air Purifier. It's really interesting to see the company dive into these new product categories, and I'm sure it's only the start of many more home devices. But let's not get into that right now, and instead get on with the review. But real quick, if you haven't yet, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell icon so you can get notified when we upload new videos. Now on to the review for real. Realme takes a minimalist approach in designing this device. It's a relatively compact and lightweight device thanks to the plastic construction, and the overall design really makes it easy to place just about in any room. Up top, we have its capacitive touch buttons, which include the power button, fan speed controls, auto and sleep mode buttons, and the timer. There's also this button that you'll need to press when replacing filters. Lastly, there's an indicator light here in the middle, which indicates the air quality in the room. Red for bad, orange for moderate, and green for good air quality. Down here, we have the air intake grills, which works with what Realme calls its innovative air duct design. With it, the Realme Air Purifier ensures perfect balance of air volume and pressure in any room without sacrificing efficiency. And if you notice, the grills are just on one side of the device, and it only absorbs air from this side. This is intentional and done so you can place it against a wall or corner without blocking the intake. We actually have another air purifier with a 360-degree design, which is great too, but it just means you had to allot extra space around the device. This isn't the case for the Realme Air Purifier, since we could easily push it up against the wall and it would still do its magic. Pressing the top corner of the air purifiers, open up the front panel. Here you'll find the pre-filter, and behind it the HEPA H12 filter. This captures tiny airborne irritants or pollutants before pushing out clean air. The HEPA filter in the Realme Air Purifier has a lifespan of about 2,800 hours or an estimated 4 to 6 months, depending on use. The indicator button on top will light up once it's time to change. In addition to that, Realme recommends cleaning this pre-filter at least once a month, but it's really easy to do with a vacuum or even just a brush. The innovative air duct design combined with the pre-filter and the HEPA H12 filter make up the air purifier's 3-step system that achieves up to 99.95% filtration efficiency. It can effectively cover an indoor space of up to 39 square meters. There are 3 fan speeds available, so you can control just how strong you want the air intake to be. We noticed that it gets pretty loud at level 3 and preferred keeping it at lower speeds. The Realme Air Purifier also comes with an auto and sleep mode. Auto, as the name implies, uses a sharp air quality sensor to automatically switch fan speeds depending on the air quality of the room. We found ourselves defaulting to this mode quite frequently since it was smart and intuitive enough. When I was cooking, for example, it would automatically switch to high the moment smoke would circulate around the room. Lastly, there's sleep mode. Here, the device will keep to a quiet fan speed and turn off all unnecessary lights to keep the room dark and not bother you while you sleep. For automatic shutdown, you can make use of the timer mode that offers either 2, 4, or 8-hour intervals. In our reviews, the Modern Creatures aims to find special features in a device that make it worth having. It's creature feature, if you will. And for the Realme Air Purifier, it would have to be its high-precision air quality detection. In our time with the Realme Air Purifier, its air quality detection technology proved to be very responsive and quite accurate. Whether it was smoke from the kitchen or odd smells around the house, it would immediately adjust to a higher fan speed to better and more effectively clean the air. The Realme Air Purifier is a simple and clean-looking device that does its job effectively and efficiently. We personally love its one-sided air vents that's perfect for a small space like ours. And with useful features like automatic air quality detection and high-performing HEPA filters, you really can't go wrong with this device, especially at its price. The Realme Air Purifier retails for just 5,990 pesos, but you can get a special discount today on both Shopee and Lazada. You can check out the links in the description below for more details. And that concludes our review of the Realme Air Purifier. Again, it's really interesting to see the company grow its products, and we found that the Realme Air Purifier is a great first attempt at expanding the TechLife ecosystem. I really do wonder what we're gonna get from Realme next. But in the meantime, drop us a line down in the comments, and of course, please do visit our website and our other social media channels for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, I'm Vika. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.